Who who are you? I saw that shit, Kiryu-chan. Sir, you mean... Yep, the dragon of Dojima. Kazuma Kiryu-chan. It's been a while, Majima-san. Put a lid on that formal shit. Heard you were gonna head up your own family soon. By the way, that bar over there, that's where your sweetheart works, yeah? I heard she's real easy on the eyes. Everyone's saying so. They all just want in on the action. Anyway, what do we do with this fool? I'm sorry, I didn't know it was you, Kitty-san. No, it's fine. Too soft, Kitty-chan. Soft as marshmallow. You gotta make things right. Like so! I ain't even done! You can't take it! Yeah. The hell? That's enough. I was only doing it for you. And I said it's enough, so... Oh, well... Fine then. But when you get your own man, you're gonna have to lay down the law. Let's roll. Yeah, I'll keep that in mind.